Oh my God, what's your name, buddy?
It's Aditya.
Aditya? What's your name?
Sanjeevni.
Alright,
I'm Satvika.
alright.
I'm Anirudh.
Alright guys, so what do you think? Who's gonna win the World Cup?
India, of course. Of course, India's gonna win. Koi shak. India.
Alright. So do you think so what do you think who's gonna be the star of the tournament from our team, from India?
Good.
I think Yashasvi Jaiswal is playing really well. He's a young upcoming star. I think he deserves it. He's worked really hard, and I really look up to him. Like he's our age, and he's doing wonders. Obviously, Virat Kohli is the champ. He's the greatest. And Rohit Sharma will play really well too, I think.
Alright. So do you think, and do you know what's going on with the Virat?
I think he's taking a family break. So
Family break? Alright.
I don't know.
I think I want to comment.
No, but that's alright. That's very good. And what alright, so do you think India will be in the finals?
I mean, I hope it is. I have no idea about cricket though.
Alright.
Yes, they will.
That's alright.
Yes, they will. Yes.
Why do you think so?
Because we can come across everything.
That's also true, man.
I
We
trust
came
them.
close last time,
Uh-huh.
so I think we're gonna win. Let's hope.
Alright, we'll see. Alright, so
You're Indian.
You should support us.
look, I cannot be biased. Huh?
Which team are you supporting?
Yes.
I'm supporting.
Pakistan.
No, I'm not from Pakistan. I'm from Delhi. हाँ भाई तो फिर चलो हिंदी में पूछ लेते हैं कुछ alright तो आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या पूछ रहे हैं यार सब तो पूछ लिया like from where you guys
Leave me some, bro.
Karnataka.
and you gonna
Rajasthan.
and you
Hyderabad.
and you
I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore
Yeah.
alright so what you doing here like
Oh, we're in
We're all
med
med
school.
students.
all doctors
all of us.
Yeah, all doctors. The typical Indian dream.
Wait, yeah what is that typical Indian game to become a doctor
Doctor. There you go.
Typical
straight
Indian
up.
dream in US. The US dream.
I think we are just making a crack bro
Why do they say doctors should only get married with doctors?
Because there's a balance, like
There's an understanding
It
actually.
all stays in the community.
I'll tell you
You
the
gotta
truth.
keep that sadness in
Like,
there.
it takes a degenerate to understand another degenerate.
No, I think the sadness needs to stay in the community. You should not really
I don't
get
think
someone who's
anyone-
happy. Let's keep them all happy.
but don't you think you're gonna get bored if you have same profession same thing to talk
No
I
one
can
else
be a
can understand
gastro
us.
and he can be a gynac, so
almost you're gonna end up in the same thing
We're going to be
Nobody
people
can-
who will force the whole family to take doctor. We're like, chalo, doctor.
You need someone. Only they can understand what you're going through and what you're doing. So I mean, that's why.
that could be a point bro
Yeah. Otherwise, it's really tough. The timings and
क्या
everything.
था यार फिर से एक बार बोलना
There are nuances that only doctors can understand between each other.
alright so we are the outsider that's one
Uh-huh.